Hey guys, welcome back. So today I just want to do a quick update on my reef rehabilitation of my 60-gallon reef tank. Everything has been looking pretty good. Been adding some new coral and doing water changes and keeping up with the filtration. Our new skimmer works great and our lights are keeping everything healthy. So let's take a closer look. Alright, we got a nice frog spawn right here, as well as a rose bubble tip anemone hiding in the back. I put that anemone on its own little island. Sometimes you like to travel, so I'm trying to stay better safe than sorry. A little aid can right here. Sometimes it opens up more than other times, depending on when I'm feeding. Also have a little mushroom island here. Mushrooms, they like to take over as well when they're happy, so I'm going to try to keep them separated, as well as a nice little Gorgonia hanging in there. Another aid can right there. Here's some of my fishes swimming around. Bad guy cardinal and 6-line wrasse. Also, radiant wrasse just swam by. Duncan coral. There's another little coral hanging in the back there. It's a torch. We'll go over that in just a second. Got a nice yellow salmacora here, and there's an interesting symbiotic relationship going on with some brittle stars. They are living within the coral. See all the little holes and all the little arms coming out of them, and in return, they keep the coral nice and clean from any detritus. Meter shower Cephastria. Here's our nice green hammer that we added a little bit ago. Some cool little palies right here. Bird's nest coral is probably the one coral that's not looking all that great right now. I think I'm going to lose it. It's starting to bleach. Might try to move it towards more light. Another hammer for us right there. Got some nice trumpets, blue and green trumpets, and here's that little torch I was telling you guys about. I absolutely love this coral. Not something you see often. Nice little gold with white tips. And this brain coral is starting to look amazing. Our skimmer's collecting nice skimmate, and our filtration's working pretty good. One thing I want to do is eventually paint the back black or something along those lines.